Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the 1916 Company app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The 1916 Company app is a luxury watch platform that connects collectors, sellers, and enthusiasts to an exclusive selection of high-end timepieces. It offers authenticated listings, detailed watch histories, and market insights to help users make informed purchasing decisions. The app also provides valuation tools, concierge services, and personalized recommendations based on user preferences. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its sleek interface, high-quality images, and trust factor from verified sellers. The authentication process adds a layer of security, and the curated selection appeals to serious collectors who value rarity and condition. Market trend data and transparent pricing make it easier to understand a watch's true value before committing to a purchase. Still, it has some downsides. The premium nature of the listings means the app caters to a niche audience. Most items are expensive, and selection is limited compared to broader marketplaces. Some users note that response times from sellers can vary, and while the authentication process is thorough, it may add delays before final delivery. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the 1916 Company app may be worth using if you're a serious watch collector or enthusiast seeking authenticated luxury timepieces with expert guidance. It shines in trust, presentation, and curated quality. However, if you're looking for budget-friendly options or a wider range of brands, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.